Hello guys, welcome to my vlog, D.Palzom. Okay, so my name is D.Palzom, and so today is my week off, and I'm in my room like freely. So in this vlog, I really want to show how I am. Actually, I'm not a big fan of makeup at all, but still, today I will do my self tutorial makeup. How I am applying the makeup. I don't think that I'm good in makeup. I don't ever think like that, but still, I'm not a skilled one. But still, I will show you. So before that, I wash my face. So now I will apply some moisturizer. So moisturizer is a very important part of our body. Even before applying sunscreen, you have to apply a moisturizer. So even so, this is actually I don't know how to apply makeup at all. Still, I will see how the result can. Okay. Okay. So now I already applied the moisturizer at all. So for first, let's start with eyes. Okay. So I will apply. I will open the highlighters. So actually, I didn't. My eyes is very small, so I want make it big. First, I will apply this highlighters. This and yeah, I don't know whether I'm good in makeup or not, but still, I will show you guys. Usually, I'm not a makeup girl. Even if I go outside, I will not use too much makeup at all. I will use only this some lip gloss, and I will okay. Now it's time for what to say. I don't think I have to put a mascara, right? I don't know. So I don't have too much makeup at all because I'm not a makeup girl. So me put to eyebrow. Actually, my eyebrows are not good in shape, so I don't know whether it will become nice or not. So then let me try. Where's my pencil? So before that, I have my friend who is a makeup artist, and she will eat some festival, any festival, some big festival is there in my hospital or some workplace. I will always request her to put makeup on me. So I can't compare with her. She has done a course in makeup, so I haven't done anything. I'm not good in drawing also, so still we can't depend on other, right? Sometimes you have to be your own makeup artist. My eyebrows also not good in check. Okay, for me, okay, I can't apply. I can't even for myself. I will do some. What to say? Where I get this one? Okay, this is too dark. I feel like this is too dark for me. Okay, then let it be. Final look it out. This I can't say that it's become nice at all. I don't know. Okay, now I will apply my eyeliner. Oh, what the? I got my eyeliner become real. For my eyes, it's very difficult to put on eyeliner. Sometimes it will become nice, but sometimes it will not. I don't know. I'm trying very best to look good, but I don't know, it's not becoming nice. It's okay. Okay, that's it for the eyeliner. 이거 주로 oscuro. That's it. Then it will. And I just hold it. Yeah. Kajal. My eyes smells. Okay. Now it's like mascara. Iku yang merah iku mascara gel. Okay, the eyes part is done. So now it's time for the lip gloss. Lip. Pink lips. Oh, what to need lip now? Use, I think. Yes, I think I do have. Let's finish my face part. Cheek closure. Mix it with the mayo. I don't have too much highlighter, so I don't make this times. Darling, so I need to make a banana. Today I want to put a very simple color. I'm going to color more of this color. Oh God. Lift here, I have to. Wait a minute. What should I do? Shit, so what machine is machine? Okay, darling, sana. Şu ciğerim. Makeup darling, sana. 이거 좀 lembu시라시라해 말이야. So I've done with the makeup. I don't think I'm looking good in the makeup. Without makeup is a best, I think. Simply I done my makeup. So how my house, is there any difference? Out of 10, how much? Out of 10, what do you guys want to give? I don't have any makeup course. I don't know how to apply. Simply I don't. Kudangarangida, 지단이가 메이크업로 주의를 시다 슈슈도 신기해요. 테크닉은 애들이 뭐보다 애들이 약간 신기해나 드링이 다스 스웨바 메이크업 클리어 메이크업 조신 거말 아니에요. 메이크업 좀 간디로 체기도 I just checked. 링을 아이디 블로그로 속으로 삼스타 메이크업 같이요. 이네요. 드링 이제 메이크업 차. So today I just simply make this vlog. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and share with your friends and family. And see you at next vlog. Yeah, so you guys can leave a comments below how my this one makeup look. Let me know if you like my makeup look or without makeup look. I don't think I'm good at makeup. So see you and bye bye. Take care. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and take care. And stay hydrated, stay happy. That's all matter. Bye bye.
After makeup.